have areas that doesn't have AC outlets, got something in right here that's going to help cure that problem outside here. This is a surge protected power strip. It's IP69, so it'll be able to withstand rain and things such as that. I'm going to get it opened up, check it out, and see what we have. By the way, it says it's got a 25-foot cord on it. So that should be an ample length of a cord to get to where I need to go. Pretty heavy duty, y'all. Got a little spike that you can put it in the ground if you want to. Looks like we have a little user guide here. This is a 3-prong, it's a heavy gauge cord. This is pretty cool. On the bottom here, where the spike goes in, it looks like a 1/4 inch threaded. Ooh, I just noticed something else. That's metal. That ain't those cheap plastic ones. This is a heavy duty job, y'all. AC 125 volt, 60 hertz, 15 amp, 1875 watt max, 25-foot power cord, 6 outlets, 115 joule surge protection. Really nice. But anyway, that right there is impressive. I have got power outlets out front up here, but I do not have any power outlets in the backyard. And that's where I need them sometimes. That should do the job. And you could mount this to the wall if you wanted to. Put a screw through there and hang it outside against the wall. But for my application, I'm just going to put that into the ground. Let's go around back and get it put up. See, as it stands right now, I've got to take that extension cord and run it into the back door, which is no good. But I think we can get to it right there and run it down through here. That's the plan anyway. Change of plans. It goes right up to this little fence around the air conditioning unit. So I'm going to get a screw and mount it right here, like so. Okay, I have got that cord running. I went ahead and ran it up there to keep it off the ground. Now we're going to mount that right there. Now this does have plugs on both sides. So it is 6 outlets. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a zip tie around this to hold it in position. Just like that. I think that would be a good thing, rather than just having it hanging, putting the stress on that. It would have been nice if they'd have put another hook down here on the bottom, but it's okay, not a big deal. And there we go. Now I have power in the backyard. Okay, when you get ready to plug something in, you just shove it through these little silicone protectors here. They help keep water out of it. Just take it like that, kind of work it in, a little stiff, but it'll go right in there, just like that. And if you have a surge or something, you got a reset button right here. Not a problem at all. Definitely a thumbs up. Now remember, it is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet and shorting out or anything. Hey, if you like outdoor power and things such as this, I'll put a playlist right over here for you to go check out. There is a link to this down in the description as well. So hey, I appreciate y'all watching, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.